Okay, this is a transmission of a 1999 Camry. As you can see, many people don't know that actually this gearbox here has automatic and a manual differential. Now, it's used here. You have the transmission oil inside here, which you put from inside here, and the azo oil, what we call azo oil, that's differential oil here. So once you don't put oil in this place, it damages this whole component here, and it may even end up blowing this transmission. Okay, the problem we have here is that the owner bought this gearbox like a year ago, so they ended up not adding oil to the differential, and everything just grounded. As you can see, these are the particles of this. This one is the new one. These are the particles. This bearing you are seeing here, these are the particles here. So it just has luck that it didn't damage most of the thing. It was just this component here, the axle itself, the differential itself, that everything got chopped off. So today I'm going to show you how to couple it back and how to gauge the oil. This is the oil you have to use. You can see gear oil. It is different from transmission oil. It is different from transmission oil. This is the gear oil usually used in your differential and gear, manual gear. So this is the oil we are going to use. So we are going to couple everything back. Everything is going to set back to its normal working. So the first thing we are going to do here is to clean the housing of the differential. So we are going to clean it up. Yes, so you can see how neat the inside is, and the next thing we are going about now is coupling these components inside. Let's go. Now this casing is going direct to here. We are going to remove the old cone and we are using this. So give me a screwdriver there. Okay. So we are going to clean it up so that I can be able to mount it. So we are going to couple this. This go in first before the washer. So this go right here, then the washer goes in here. So for that, we are going to insert the washer here. Then we are going to couple. Don't turn. Wait. Now this is the cover. As you can see, these are the bearing to show you how much damage it almost caused. From this drain pouch, this boat, that's where you fill your oil. Then where you drain it is here. The boat is under. So we are going to clean it and we are going to couple it back. Okay, we just added the gum so that there will be no leakage. So now we are going to couple it back. We're gonna put both here, all through here. Yes, then let's go. Let's go. Like this one. Like this one. Yes, we are done coupling it. Then it's going straight back to the engine bay where to start working. I hope you learned a lot in this video. If you are the person that using 1999 to 2003 Camry or any other related vehicle or vehicle that has four-wheel drive that uses propeller, see, this transmission here uses transmission fluid and differential fluid. Many people do not know about this, and that's why they encounter problems. At least your transmission oil, you have to check it every 6 months. Then check your differential oil. Check it. From here, that's where they fill your differential oil. Then under here, that's where they remove the old one. So please do well to check your differential and your transmission fluid. Thank you very much.